So, hi all, I'm Daya Padmanabhan, a final year MBBS student at Government Medical College, Calicut. For NEET PG, MDS, DNB and FMG and all other MCQ-based exams conducted by NBEMS, multiple time-bound sections in the ABCD formats are being validated this time. So, this measure is to ensure the security and sanctity of the exams by addressing the threats that may arise during the examination process. So, this year's NEET PG, MDS, DNB, FMG and all other MCQ-based exams will have various time-bound sections. That is, for those attending NEET PG this time, one section will comprise of 42 minutes and 40 questions. It's very important to note that the exams can't move to the next sections before the allotted time, that is 42 minutes. Additionally, after the allowed time for each sections, changes to the answers will not be possible. However, changes to the answers are permitted within this 42 minutes. This time in MCQ-based exams like NEET PG, MDS, FMG, GPAT and FPT, any questions whether marked or not can be marked and answered and can be changed within the allotted time for each sections. However, it is important to note that if the evaluation of these marked questions and answers will be based on the specific marking scheme associated with the respective exams. You might already know that this year's NBEMS exams based on MCQs will be divided into various timed sections. It's important to note that the exact number of each sections may vary depending on the number of questions and size of questions. Mandatory time-bound sections will be implemented in all upcoming computer-based tests conducted by NBEMS, including GPAT, NEET PG, etc. Therefore, it's important to carefully read and understand the exam scheme through their respective information bulletins. From now on, all NBEMS exams like NEET PG, MDS, DNB, FMG conducted in MCQ format will follow a pattern with timed sections. If you need more information, contact Doctors Academy.